Hello everyone, welcome to Wondershare Filmora tutorials. In this video we will see that how can we use the split screen feature in Wondershare Filmora. So this split screen feature is actually for the videos. That means that the videos that we'll be exporting will be having this feature. So what is a split screen feature? The name itself is self-explanatory. Here the screen or the video area is splitted or divided into 2, 3 or more parts, wherein you can play multiple clips at the same time or one clip after the another just for the comparison purposes. Okay, so here if you just go to this option that says split screen and click on it, then you will see that we have multiple options through which we can split the screen in Wondershare Filmora. Okay, so I have two videos that I want to play side by side like this, and this effect I want to apply. Okay, so I have dragged it onto the timeline. Let's just see. Okay, so these are the two videos, video 1 and video 2, that I want to apply. I just drag video 1 over here. Okay, so this is the split screen. If I just click on advanced tab, then it will open a dialog box for me. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Now here are two medias, media 0 and media 1. Okay, so what do? I just have these three media files that I've already imported. If you want, you can just get new media files as well. Then suppose I want this first media file in place of media 1 and the second media file in place of media 0. So I can just drag them there, and here I will be able to see the preview. Okay, if I want, I can just zoom in or zoom out. Just select the zoom level of each media files. So this is okay for me, and for this one also I need to zoom out a bit so that it actually covers the whole screen. I can adjust the volume, I can adjust the transformation or basic video effects, or even I can just delete these files. Okay, once I'm happy with it, click on OK and wait for a few seconds for it to load everything related to it. Then if I just play this, then this is how it is playing, these two media files in a split screen mode. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.